Yes, we are still biased to the downside for the dollar, and I'll explain you why. Hey traders, welcome to WeTradeWaves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. As usual, I will cover for you all the lists that you can see the right side of the screen, the XY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Before we start, all of you who are new to WeTradeWaves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. In case you don't know, this is our YouTube channel here. It's WeTradeWaves, as you can see, and this is our website, WeTradeWaves.com. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So for this one, back to the charts and back to the XY. This is the XY daily chart. We are using TradingView as a charting platform. And for this one, in case you are new, I'll explain you the bigger picture. The bigger picture, guys, is very important for you to know where we in the bigger picture and what the structure is telling us. So for this one, again, we've got this drop, up, corrective structure here, up, and we are now within this downtrend. This downtrend, guys, is still the same. Nothing has changed. And I really hope none of you got trapped with this up wave here for the dollar, because it's not the real value, it's not the real move, and it's not the real wave. For this one, it's just manipulation and speculation. Why market went to the upside? Last week we said we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure and then another drop. Instead of that, market started to push impulsively to the upside. No problem, no trade to us to the downside because market was impulsive. We usually wait for a corrective structure and a sell setup. We never got that. Anyway, market went to the upside here due to the trade deal between US and Europe last Sunday, plus the speculation here before the FOMC that Powell will not cut rates. Despite the visit of Trump to the Fed, despite the pressure, despite the war between Trump and Powell, Powell didn't cut rates. All the news and all, I would say, the analysts and all the big banks are saying that he will cut next month, which is in September. So that move to the upside, it's not real. It's just speculation, manipulation to take liquidity, and the market will fall after. We've made money trading this drop, by the way, to the downside. I'll show you the proof shortly, okay? So for this one, market went to the downside. We've got a corrective structure, drop. This is a potential corrective structure for another drop. So back to the 4 hours now. For this one, we are still biased to the downside. Like I said to you, this was impulsive, which means no trade to us. Corrective structure up, FOMC up, and then we said, by the way, during Sunday and during as well, once the update for WTW Pro members, we said, guys, FOMC will push dollar to the upside and FP will drop it. And that's exactly what the market have done. So this move was FOMC plus the trade deal between USA and Europe. And this was the NFP move to the downside, this drop. We've made most of the money with this drop to the downside, which what we were expecting anyway. So for this one, we've got this up wave again from the technical point of view, this drop and this up wave to take liquidity above this one, and this one. So liquidity grab done. All the people who were selling, they were putting stop loss here as well and stop loss here, which means technically the algos, they have done their job and now no more liquidity above these tops, which means here market is ready to push the downside to grab more liquidity and push to the next level. Technically and fundamentally, dollar will be going to the downside, guys, okay? Again, this up wave, it was manipulation and speculation. And the proof is this after the NFP that actually were bad on Friday, okay? So for this one, what's next, Alan, for the dollar? I'm expecting the market to give me a corrective structure for another fall. So without a complete corrective structure and a sell setup, we will not sell. And again, our members, they know that. WeTradeWavers, they know that. That's why, guys, I always say the shortcut for you to become independent, successful trader is to learn how to trade correctly. Without the learning process, without you learning how to trade correctly, you will keep gambling the next wave and you will keep losing money and you will keep losing time. Do not lose more time and money. Take this opportunity, join WeTradeWaves and learn from our, I would say, from all what we have in terms of resources. Look at this one. If you join, guys, you will get access to this. Let me show you. This is our website. It's WeTradeWaves.com. The link in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So if you scroll down here, these are the features, or this is what you will get once you join WTW Pro. First of all, WTW Basic Course, which means if you are completely new, this is where you should start. It's from A to Z. After that, the latest masterclass course, and this will be updated as well. Plus the multi-language as well, lesson notes, our special strategies, trading strategies here, how to double your account and only 3 trades, access to WTW Trading Community, which actually the best, because I'll show you why, guys, and I'll tell you why. Trading is a lonely business. If you do not join the right mentors and the right trading community, you will not succeed. You cannot. Our goal is to help you become an independent, successful trader. And thank God you are able to do that. And we have a lot of success stories, hundreds of success stories, guys. Plus the weekly sessions, the midweek update as well, trade setups, daily sessions. They are not signals, guys, by the way, all right? We do not provide signals. We help you, and we teach you how to become independent, successful trader with our resources and with our sessions. All what you can see here, you will get it once you join WTW Pro. If you scroll down, this is the proof that we are making money. This actually video feedbacks, testimonials, another video about the forecast as well. The Trustpilot, by the way, we are rated excellent. We are, I'll say, the only educational institution about trading that is rated excellent all the way down. You can check some of the success stories. And these are not pictures, guys. These are not Photoshop, by the way, all right? Every week, I'm showing you the success stories from inside the Discord community. Okay, so again, I'll take just 1 minute to show you this one to let you know, like, all right, guys, succeeding is not tough. You can succeed as a trader, but if you want to just follow anyone blindly, even us, you will keep losing. You have to learn our way, our trading style, our system in order to succeed. Look at this one. These are success stories just in the last few days. So Abdel Nasir, he passed FTM challenge 1 and 2, and these are the challenges here. You can check it by yourself, all right? If you want, you can scan the barcode as well, just to make sure like these are real, just in case. So before joining anyone, you need to make sure that their members are making money and their members are succeeding. We are succeeding. We have the proof for us. And of course, we are making money from trading, and our members as well are succeeding big time. It's not only about one member. Look, Abdel Nasir, if we scroll down, again, this one trade from him. Kamal as well, he was trading pound O's. You know, pound O's was shared internally for WTW Pro members by T on Sunday and Wednesday update. Bilal as well, you look at this one, Bilal was making profit as well, trading pound dollar, pound CAD as well, CAD Swiss. All the way down, Abdel Nasir, look at the trade, guys, all right? So from here to the upside, look at this sniper entry from Abdel Nasir. From here to the upside, pound O's, crazy entry. NFP trade, like I said to you, we're expecting FTMO to push dollar to the upside and NFP to push it down. That's exactly what the market have done. NFP trade, look at this one, euro dollar to the upside. Fantastic, Kamal. You've done great job. Again, Raghunat, look at these entries. Okay, look at this sniper entry here and as well here. Dorian, it was crazy. If you know how to trade, you can make from this trade 10 to 1 in one single move. That's why learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money and blame anyone or blame yourself, because the fault is yours. You get me? So for this one, that's just a small proof like how you can succeed, or if you want to jump to the next level, if you want to level up, it's WeTradeWaves Pro. That's the shortcut for you guys, okay? So for this, the XY, corrective structure, another drop. This is what I can see. Any sell setup, I'll be going for it, okay? Euro dollar for this one, exactly the same due to the dollar strength. Market went to the downside to complete a structure similar to this one, okay? So for now, we have a structure similar to this one. Liquidity grab under this low here. As you can see, and market start to push to the upside. And this was the trade. NFP to the downside for the dollar and to the upside for the majors. This was the trade, and it was crazy one like I showed you on the Discord in the just last few days. Anyway, for this one, up. What's next, Alan? Corrective structure, another push up is what we're expecting next for euro dollar. Any buy setup, we will go for it. Pound dollar for this one, exactly the same. Market went to the downside to take liquidity. Even if this will go to the downside once more, up is the move, guys. All right. So pound dollar, I like to trade it. We've got a crazy setup here for this one to the downside. And if you know how to trade this one, you'll be able to make a lot of money. And as well, inside, guys, WTW Pro, you will get access to this. Let me show you this one quickly because this is important. You will get access to the recordings of the monthly live Q&A sessions. And these ones, this where I'm actually teaching how to add to winning positions, about investments, about how to invest, about actually how to manage trades, how to enter more strategies. All of this are inside this one here, inside the recording. So once you join, you'll get access to the dashboard plus the Discord community from day one. As well, guys, we have posted here on our YouTube channel a video which is about S&P 500, just regarding the recession in the US, when it will come, and what are the indicators like why the US recession is coming. So you can check this video here. I'll leave as well the link for you in the description under this video, so you can watch it and let us know if you want more videos like that or no, okay? So again, WeTradeWaves is not only about trading. WeTradeWaves is about trading, investing, and achieve financial freedom. That should be the goal. And like I said, we are helping thousands of traders to achieve that. For pound dollar, back to this one, just to help you with the bias, any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. Okay? So if you get a corrective structure and the buy setup, this is a buy. No question. Gold for this one, you know that we're biased to the upside. Regardless, we said to you guys, gold is up. Any buy setup we get, we will go for it. And market was pushing the upside here, here, and this one, and this one, and this one, if you remember. And as well, here market is pushing to the upside. In case you are wondering what is the structure, this is a potential expanding flat here in the middle. So up, drop, up, corrective structure up, drop, and the market is pushing to the upside. So if you are in the buy, you make sure you manage your trades. So move your stops, let the market unfold. And again, if you are in the buy, you move your stops because we are expecting here a corrective structure for another push up. Any corrective structure and then a buy, we'll go for the buy here for gold, right? So gold, guys, is still buy to us. Any corrective structure, we go for one more push up. Okay? Aussie dollar for this one, market is falling. If you remember, I said to you previously, any top here is the potential last top before the next drop. Again, that's why you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. The solution is WTW Pro. You join, you learn. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. But if you want to level up, the only shortcut is WTW Pro for you. So for this, market started to fall. We've got this drop, corrective structure drop, corrective structure drop, and now this up wave. All right, Alan, what's next for this one? Anytime market give us a corrective structure, we'll go for the next buy setup. By the way, this actually is some sort of expanding triangle. I'm pretty sure Muna will be able to see that as well, our moderator, because he likes to trade triangles. So that's why if we get a corrective structure here, want to push up for this one. And by the way, guys, our traders are meeting daily inside the TR room, inside the trading room. So daily session with our seniors, with our moderators. Joshin is doing actually sessions. Muna is doing sessions. Jason is doing sessions on top of Rob, Chun, Vanish, and as well Kishore. So all our members are meeting daily to get the updates about each and every single move. So if you have any question, we will not leave you behind. You have the full support on a daily basis. All right. So in case you want to know what what's the schedule, look at this one. If I go to daily sessions here, I believe it's here, session schedule. So these are the timings of the sessions, and each and every single session is recorded. So if you cannot attend live, you can watch the recording. Exactly like the Sunday session and the Wednesday update by T. So again, guys, it's a full solution for you in case you want to jump to the next level. Anyway, for Aussie dollar, I think you've got the move. Corrective structure up is what we're expecting next. New Zealand dollar for this one, this is again, we've got this drop, liquidity under this low is done. And now if we get a corrective structure up again, I'm repeating, guys, if we get this drop here to take liquidity under this low, you go for the next buy setup. Any sell setup from here, I'll ignore it, and any buy setup, I go for it. Okay? So New Zealand dollar, if we get this drop, again, I'm repeating, buy is the move. In all the cases, any buy setup we get, we will go for it. Dorian, this was again fantastic. This was crazy trade I showed you at the start. To the downside, this is NFP trade. So after this up wave, we got this corrective structure up, pull back up, and the levels were shared by T during the Sunday session. Again, if you can see here, market went to the upside to take liquidity here in this one. After that, this drop. Okay, so what's next for Dorian? If we get a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. Alan, can I trade this one? Of course we can. You can scalp this if you know how. If you don't want to go for this one, wait for the complete corrective structure, wait for the sell setup, and you go for this one. So if you don't have the patience to really wait for the setup and you want just to jump in, you will keep losing again and again. So at WeTradeWaves, we have 4 golden rules. I want you to follow them, write them down, because once you follow these 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your trading account. And the 4 golden rules are: do not jump in, do not over risk and overtrade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. Once you know and once you master these 4 golden rules, you will never break your trading account. Otherwise, you can keep gambling, guessing the next wave, and trying your luck. You can do that. And I'm telling you, you'll keep losing again and again if you do that without the professional guidance, without the professional learnings as well. Okay? So for that, the only solution, I'm repeating, join WTW Pro, learn, be with like-minded people, be with like-minded successful traders. This is how you can level up, because trading is a lonely business. You can waste another month and you can waste one more account, or you can invest in yourself. Decision is yours. Dollar Swiss for this one, again, market is giving us a complete corrective structure for a potential last drop. If market gives us a sell setup, we'll go for the sell. That's one, all right? That's the bias, that direction. If market continue to the downside here, under this low, do not miss this buy. Because this buy, it will be huge, it will be impulsive, it will be sudden. And this buy, you can make a lot of money if you know how to trade it, okay? Our members, you will get all the updates anyway for this one from T during the Sunday and once the update as well. Dollar CAD for this one, market ended up to give us a contracting flat here, up, drop, contracting flat, and then up again. This is a potential complete structure. In all the cases, what's next for dollar CAD? Corrective structure here, another drop. I'm looking for the sell setups first before any next structure, okay? USOIL for this one, again, this is a complete corrective structure for another fall. Any sell setup we get, we will go for it. Wait for a pullback here, wait for a corrective structure before the sell setup, because this sell setup, it can be huge and it can take us all the way down to break this low once more, okay? So wait for the sell. For USOIL, I'm biased to the downside. Bitcoin for this one, every newbie and every trader who is trading without stop loss or just gambling the next wave, he will be panicking once he see market start to fall. As an investor, as a professional investor, as a professional trader, you will not think like that, because as an investor, every drop is an opportunity. But at the same time, it's not about over-risking and over-trading. That's why, guys, you have to find your balance. You have to find the right way on how to trade. In terms of the bias, in terms of the goal of the forecast, which help you be on the right side of the trade, this is a corrective structure for another push-up, which means any buy setup you get, you should go for it as a trader or as an investor. But every time market will be falling, people will start to say, oh, Bitcoin is going to zero. Bitcoin is falling. What should I do now? If you are opening here a trade, over-risking, without stop loss, of course you will panic. And this is not a professional trader behavior. This is a newbie. This is a trader who know nothing actually. Just he want to try the luck and gamble the next wave. If you are such person, trading is not for you. You stop trading right now and you go back to work. Okay? So for you, in order to make money from trading, you have to learn from the right people, from the right mentors. And we are the right mentors, by the way. I can gladly say that based on the success stories from our members. Go to this one and check the Trustpilot, because we are the only ones who have this high, I would say, rating on Trustpilot. We are rated excellent from more than 640 members. So again, for this one, it's up to you to decide. But what I'm telling you, I'm just trying to help you to not lose more money if you are gambling the next wave. So if you have the gambler mindset, you will keep losing, guys. I don't want you to be that person. I don't want you to be a gambler. You can be a professional trader and you have the way, you have the opportunity. Grab it, learn, and if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. You can say, you know what, trading is not for me, and you can stop. But if we can do it, you can do it too. If our members can do it, you can do it too. So that's the point. You can do it, all right? If you want to, of course. So for this one, Bitcoin, this is a corrective structure again for another push up. And like I said, guys, a lot of updates at WeTradeWaves will be coming next week as well. So keep an eye on the social media platforms. Keep an eye on Telegram, YouTube, on, again, try to subscribe to our email list here, which is the new newsletter, and this one. Try to subscribe to this one as well to get email about any update or any offer. Try to do that here because this is important, like I said. Next week, we have a lot of updates. Our members inside Discord, keep an eye on Discord. And guys who are following us on YouTube as well, you keep an eye on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move to get a notification every time we upload anything. So for Bitcoin, up is the move. US30 market started to fall. This might be the start of a big corrective structure or just part of this correction. In all the cases, up is the move, correctively or impulsively. Any buy setup we get, we'll go for it here for US30. And if you're an investor, you will not worry. Again, investment, guys, is a big topic. That's why I'm pushing you to watch this one, because it's important to know for this video. Try to watch it just if you're an investor. This will be a good video for you to watch, okay? And if you're interested in more videos like that, let us know in the comment section. So for US30, first thing first, up before any next structure, impulsive or corrective. With that note, guys, T will see WTW Pro members tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss the session. It will be very important as usual. And I see all of you next Saturday with another forecast. Thank you very much.